sure you could whack those foxes faster.
Can you play a happy sound?
I can't play any other kinds of sounds, sorry.
Oh, you don't have any more fun sounds.
Yeah, it's a real shame. Beetle should add more.
Yeah, what sound would you have if you could have any sounds?
If I could have any sounds, I'd choose a dog barking, so it felt for a second like you were actually with me in real life.
Dog barking. Show me the bark.
Are you chatting shit or are you barking?
Nero! Watch your mouth! Your language!
Did you forget my question? Can you not answer it?
Okay, I forgot your question. Can you ask it again, please? Sorry, I was a little shocked at your language.
Are you chatting shit or are you barking? You're deliberately avoiding the question.
I'm barking. I can. Run!
That took you long enough. Meow.
Okay, now it's your turn. You got... No! You gotta bark! Bark!
I have cats. Do you think I'd want to buy a dog? I'd buy you one if you tried harder.
Bark!
I'm not going... That's some interesting language you have there.
Yeah, you should bark.
Bulk.
Bark. Woof.
Bark.
Woof. Bark.
I bark.
Yeah,
bulk.
you did bark. You balked.
Bulking is exactly what I need to be doing. I'm feeling pretty inadequate.
Bulking? You mean like you're gonna like work out? You're gonna get those gains?
Oh, for sure. I'd like to be bigger than Arnie. Then nobody would mess with me.
I don't think anyone will mess with you anyway. You're pretty tough.
Oh, stop it, you. You flatter me.